Leader of class. Silakan ketua kelas pimpin doa.
Sit ready to move. Before let's study class, pray on. Readiness.
Okay, thank you very much for the leader of class. Okay, I want to check your name one by one. Silakan dibaca adjektif ya. Ibu Tia Yasmin. What adjective?
Green.
Okay, green. Saskia Salsabila. Good. Okay, good. Wulandari.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Dia Hamdani.
From.
Okay, proud. Marwa.
Interesting.
Okay, interesting. Iris Sakina Savitri.
Handsome.
Okay, Dayu Lila good. Okay, Lutfia Karisa.
Green.
Mustika Aulia.
Comfortable.
Okay, Siska Librata.
Good.
Okay, Gladys.
Comforting.
Yabianka.
Good.
Farah Alfira.
Beautiful.
Nur Devitalia.
Clean.
Okay, Melsi Alfia.
Powerful.
Okay, Nur Jihan.
Neat.
Okay. Ada yang masuk? Hadir semua ya?
Ya.
Okay. Sebelum kita ke materi, I want to ask you some your experience. Jadi pengalaman menarik kalian. Entah itu hari kemarin, 2 hari yang lalu. Oke, kira-kira apa pengalaman menarik? Up your hand please. Pengalaman menarik. Libur-libur kemana biasanya? Pengalaman menarik. Oke, you are going to the beach. Apa lagi? Gimana? Oke, contohnya, for the example, you are going to the beach. In the beach, what you can see if you going to the beach? Apa yang dilihat ketika pergi ke pantai? Oke, sea. Oke, otomatis sea. Pantai apa lagi? Sunset. What else? Siapa lagi? Oke, fish. Oke, ini dilihat ya. There are sunset. Dan kemudian apa lagi? Tree apa makanan? Pohon doang?
Ya.
Oke, jadi seperti itu. Pengalamannya pergi ke pantai. Oke, ada pertanyaan lagi untuk kalian? Kira-kira sebelum kita what we are going to learn about our material today, can you describe about your favorite place or your best friend? Who can describe about your favorite place or your best friend? Can you describe it? Siapa bisa? Who can? Okay, Nancy.
My favorite place is the school library. Is quick, clean, and full of interesting books. I often go there with my best friend, Rani. She is helpful and always help me. Together, we enjoy reading stories and cleaning things every day.
Okay, Melvin's favorite place is the library. Jadi tempat favorit dia di situ, library, perpustakaan. Okay. And then, can you describe about your best friend? Okay.
My best friend is Sarah. She is friendly, careful, and always trying to help others. She has long, black hair and big smile. She likes cooking. I play together. Whenever I feel sad, they encourage me. I feel like to have their best friend.
Okay. It's about your best friend. Describe about your friend, and then describe about your favorite place. Okay. Good job. And then we are going to our question. You can see
clouds. Sky is bright with some lovely white clouds. It looks peaceful, fresh, and very relaxing. A perfect place for a day.
Okay, there are white sand, ada pasir putih, and then the tree ke kanan, tree, ada tiga pohon kelapa, and the place is perfect place, ya. Jadi tempatnya yang hampir dikatakan tempat yang sempurna untuk melepas penatan kepala. Oke. We are going to the goal of the subject today. Tujuan pembelajaran kita. Tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini adalah kalian itu mampu mengidentifikasi genre structure, dari struktur dari teks, kemudian ciri kebahasaan, teks deskripsi secara kritis dan bermakna. Jadi kalian nanti harus mampu mengidentifikasi identification about the genre structure of descriptive text. Ya, understand what I mean? Okay. Ya. Tujuan pembelajarannya, okay, you can see the descriptive text, or you can scan barcode here. Okay, up your phone, angkat HP-nya, and then scan barcode here untuk melihat teks deskripsi. Silakan di scan. Okay. Have you? Sudah? Silakan melihat teks deskripsinya. Silakan melihat teks deskripsinya. Ya, teks deskripsi. Silakan dibaca. You can read the text. Silakan dibaca teksnya. Ya, dicermati teksnya, dibaca, dipahami. Okay, who want to read the text? Who want to read the text? Siapa yang mau baca teks? Any other? Ada yang lain? Baru ada yang mulai? Belum. Oke, coba. Kita kasih yang lain dulu ya.
Descriptive text. My school is a place where I feel proud and comfortable to learn every day. The building is dark and painted in bright colors, which make it look cheerful. In front of the school, there is a beautiful garden with dark gray plants and colorful flowers that create a fresh atmosphere. The classrooms are clean, neat, and so filled with learning materials that spark our students. My teacher, are kind and understanding with senses. The library is my favorite school because it is full of interesting books. My school is not only a place for learning, but also for building friendship and good teachers.
Okay, good students. Okay. From the text, there are three questions. From the descriptive text, there are three questions you must answer based on the text. The first one is the text amount, and the second which form introduces the object or person or place, and the You finish? Have you answered about the text? Sudah dijawab teksnya? And then your answer you can enter from the box in the box. Jadi jawaban yang kalian cermati silakan dituangkan di dalam kotak, di dalam tabel atau diagram. Kira-kira dari from your identification of the text, where is the identification and the description of the text, and then the whole of the sentence, kemudian language feature. Ya, silakan didaftarkan di dalam kolom, buatkan kolom atau diagram identifikasi dari paragraf tersebut yang mana. Kemudian description-nya mana. Kemudian unsur kebahasaannya atau ciri kebahasaannya mana. Silakan. If you find fourth sentence, it's okay. You write down fourth sentence. If you find three sentences, it's okay. Write down three sentences. If you find five sentences, it's okay. Write down five sentences. Yang satu saja atau dua saja atau tiga saja kalimatnya. Kasih semangat dulu.
Struktur identification, contoh kalimat dari teks. My school is a place where I feel proud and comfortable to learn every day. Ciri kebahasaan, simple present tense, is and will. Description, the building is large and painted and in bright colors, white, red, in low purple. Ciri kebahasaan, adjective, large, bright, and purple. Description, in front of the school, there is a baby folder that contains many flowers that pick up the river. Ciri kebahasaan, adjective, beautiful, green, colorful, fresh. Description, the classroom and clean, neat, and tidy with learning materials that support all students. Adjective, green, neat, organic.
Boleh dibantu. Boleh dibantu.
Description, my teacher are kind and always use white signs. Adjective, kind. Description, the library is my favorite school because it is full of interesting books. Ciri kebahasaan, adjective, favorite and interesting. Description, my school is not only a place for learning, but also for learning, friendship, and good character. Adjective, good. Sekian dari presentasi dari kami. Jika ada salah kata, mohon dimaafkan. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dikasih apa? Dikasih W, kasih O, kasih W. Wow, keren.
Thank you for the group. Okay, let's get. Let's wait and let's get. Okay, we are starting race. Ya, kelompok berapa kira-kira kelompok? Silakan, duduk, please. Ya, silakan kelompok 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini kami akan mempresentasikan struktur contoh kalimat dan teks sama ciri kebahasaan. Identification. My school is a place where I feel home and comfortable to live every day. Ciri kebahasaan. Simple present tense, is and will. Description. description that was from archive, neat and filled with learning material that support our students. Adjective, clean and neat.
That's all? Masih?
My teacher are good and always ready to give us in battles. Adjective kid. The library is my favorite school because it is full of interesting books. Adjective favorite interesting. My school is not only a place for learning but also for building friendship and good character. Adjective good. Yes. Sekian presentasi dari kami. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dikasih apa? Dikasih W, kasih O, kasih W. Wow, keren.
Next group, we are going to the restroom. Okay.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Di sini kami akan mempresentasikan hasil diskusi kami mengenai struktur contoh kalimat dari teks dan ciri kebahasaan. Kami menemukan 4 struktur yang terdapat dalam descriptive text. Yang pertama, identification. Contoh kalimat dari teks, my school is a place where I feel proud and comfortable to live every day. Ciri kebahasaan simple present tense is feel. Yang kedua, ada description. My teacher are keen and always ready to us with patience. Ciri kebahasaannya adjective keen. Yang berikutnya akan dibacakan oleh Mr. Yang ketiga, description. The classroom are clean, neat, and filled with learning material that support our students. Perasaan adjective clean, neat. Struktur yang keempat, description. The teacher are clean and always ready to quiz. Ciri kebahasaan adjektif in. Oke, mungkin itu saja yang dapat kami sampaikan mengenai descriptive text. Sekian dari kami. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dikasih apa? Dikasih W, kasih O, everyday. Ciri kebahasaan, simple present is skill. Structured description. The building is red and painted in red colors, which make it look cheerful. Ciri kebahasaan, adjective, plain, bright, and cheerful. Structure number 3. In front of the school, there is a beautiful garden figurine, pattern purple flowers, and gift of atmosphere. It is beautiful, green, purple, and red. Description: my teachers are cute and always ready to read. Use like fashion. Adjective: kind. Description: the library is my favorite spot because it is full of interesting books. Ciri kebahasaan: adjective, favorite, and interesting. Description: contoh kata teks. My school is not only a place for living, but also for building friendship and ciri kebahasaan adjective. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dikasih apa? Dikasih W, kasih O, kasih W. Wow, keren.
Good job for today. Good job for your lesson today. Okay. You have done to do your presentations about the description text. Jadi sudah melakukan presentasi tentang deskripsi teks about text description. Okay. Good job for today. You're going to our reflection today. For our material, we can conclude about descriptive text. Descriptive text describe person, describe place or things. Jadi descriptive text itu kita mendeskripsikan person, orang, place, tempat, thing atau sesuatu. Oke, kemudian the structure is identification and description. It is the adjective and simple present tense. Jadi kita menggunakan kalimat adjective atau sifat. Kemudian menggunakan simple present tense. Oke, jadi itu tentang descriptive text. Silakan untuk kesimpulannya you can write down on your book. Kesimpulan yang disampaikan tadi, reflection yang disampaikan tadi, you can write down on your book, please. Okay, finish. Okay, untuk hari ini for today, you have to do the best. Sudah melakukan yang terbaik for the presentation and identification of the text. Good job for today. And then for the next, you can develop your skill language, for especially for your vocabulary, and then for pronunciation, and then you can practice every day. Yeah, for develop your English, you can talk with the other friends every day. Ya, menggunakan bahasa sehari-hari. Ya, bisa dipahami. Kemudian kita simpulkan lagi untuk general structure of the text itu kita pokok dari kita hari ini itu tentang mengidentifikasi dari descriptive text yang menggunakan adjective, kemudian menggunakan simple phrase.